the outstanding reporter, to Mr. Alvin Rosales Murcia. He is a reporter at Abante Politico, covering the justice beat, and holds the position of director at the National Press Club of the Philippines. Additionally, he serves as the chairman of the Education and Scholarship Committee. He is an incumbent barangay kagawad in East Rembo, Taguig City, where he oversees the Social Services Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, as outstanding reporter, Mr. Alvin Rosales Murcia.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po, pasasalamat sa ating Panginoon at syempre po sa ating PAO Chief, si Persida Rueda Acosta, ma'am. Maraming salamat po. Rest assured po na lahat ng gawain ng PAO at ang tumulong sa ating mga nangangailangan ng legal ay susuportahan po ng inyong lingkod. Ito po ang pangatlong award ko. Maraming salamat po at God bless us all. Thank you very much.